Hello friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices and use them when necessary. Today, we are going to prepare black beans, which is njahi, with rice. And our ingredients are, I have black beans, njahi. I have 2 big onions. I have 3 tomatoes. I have dania. I have 1 big capsicum, which is hoho, and the main one is nor cube, which adds flavor to my food. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. Go there and search Kinyonga. You watch all those videos and it will be useful to you. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so much and may God enlarge your territories. Let's begin cooking. I'm done by preparing my ingredients. Now let's light our gas and cook together. I'm going to wait my pot to dry a bit so that I can add cooking oil. I will add a little bit, not too much. And then I add onions. And cover for my onion to cook until golden brown. My onion is ready, as you can see. Now I'm going to add our capsicums, hoho. We stir a bit. Then we add onions, nyanya. We continue by stirring. And let our nyanya cook. The next one that I'm going to add is nor cube. And it is not all of it. I'm only going to cut a piece. And cover again for my mixture to cook. Now we are going to add our black beans. and stir a bit. And we cannot forget by adding salt. This is the main key. This is the key. The main thing while cooking. This is the key. Just a little bit. And then we stir. And cover again for 5 minutes, and I think our food will be ready. With my next pot here, I'm going to add cooking oil. This pot is for preparing rice. I have added cooking oil. The next thing is salt. Just a little bit, and because I'm going to cook 1.5 cup of rice, I'm going to measure using this cup, and using the same cup, I'm going to measure 3 cups of water. While preparing rice, it's a must you measure so that you can know the amount of water to cook with. For me, because it is a half kg, I'm going to use 3 cups of water. And wait it to boil. Our black beans are almost, and I'm going to add, it's like a dot, not too much, that's enough. And now this is the point where I'm going to add dania. Our black beans ziko ready. I'm going to cover my black beans so that I can wait my rice to cook. Our water is boiled. Now we are going to add our rice. We cover our rice and wait for it to cook. as you can see, our rice is ready. Let's serve together. Mom. You can also invite your friends to my channel so that we can move together as one family. If you don't love njahi, please try this recipe and you will love. You will love. I know you will love. Our food looks like this. Please try this recipe. Try it and you will love it. Bye bye. Let's meet the next video.